Take that! And that! Huh?
Ooh. I wouldn't go into the toilet for an hour or so. It really stinks in there. Hey buddy, is that my hammer?
No! It's mine! I need to bash this puppet!
Maybe I can interest you in this. It looks like a tiger.
Are you kidding? Let me see that.
I can tell you're interested.
No! This is my new favorite toy!
I thought that would work. I've got it! The toilet paper tube. This will solve everything. I'll start by flattening out the tube. Then I'll draw a tiger on it. Now I can cut it out. I'll fold the front over and paint it orange. It's such a lovely color. Once it's dry, I'll add white paint. This'll be the head. Then I can draw the mouth and eyes. And the stripes, of course. Look at this, Chris. Rawr! It's yours.
Whoa! This is awesome! I love it!
Sweet dreams, little guy. What's wrong with this phone? Hello?
Pow! Pow! Is that the best you've got?
No, it's okay. It's just my son attacking me.
Daddy, I'm bored!
I'm on the phone!
Pow! Pow!
Stop it, Chris. I'm busy!
You're no fun! Wah!
What the?
Give me attention!
Here. Why don't you draw a picture?
What? Is this a joke? Fine, I'll go along with it. What will I draw? Oh, I know. This is actually quite fun. Whoa, it's a masterpiece. I surprise myself sometimes. Wait a second. This has given me a great idea. This is gonna be awesome.
Huh? The desk is possessed! Get back here!
Sorry, Dad. This is a construction zone now. I'm building a house.
Hold on. I need to go somewhere to work.
This is gonna be so good. Ow, that's hard. I need something soft. And I know where to get it. This'll do the job. This will be my new floor. Let's test it out. Ooh, that's nice. Hold on. I'll need walls. That's not a problem. I can use this cardboard. I'll just stick it in place. Wow, my first home! I feel so grown up. I suppose I better decorate it. I'll need tape and these stickers. This is mine now.
Hey.
I think I've got everything I need. I'll keep the candy for later. Let's do this! I'll stick stripes of tape to the wall. I want it to be nice and colorful, so the tape is perfect. Wow, it's like a piece of modern art. Now I'll grab the bowl. I'll make a hole in the cardboard. I'll push the bowl into it. I have a window. I can see everything outside. It's really coming together. It's time to use these stickers. This seems like a good spot. It's the little things that make a difference. The personal touches, you know? I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna need a roof. But I have a plan. Is there nothing I can't do? I better tile it. These sticky notes will do the job. I'll just overlap them. And I'll alternate the colors. This will protect it from any thunderstorms. Phew, that's hard work. But this is the last one. I'm done! Welcome to my crib. This is the only room. I picked the color scheme myself. I tried to use the most exclusive materials. It was all about the aesthetics. Hey, Daddy!
Okay, we'll catch up later. Whoa! That's so cool!
I know. I designed it myself.
Wow! Amazing!
You can visit anytime. Do you like the wallpaper?
Son, I love it! I'm proud of you, kiddo! Come on! No one can beat me at this game!
You're so soft and cuddly. You're my best friend. I'm hungry.
Delicious.
Alex has candy? Gimme!
What? No, it's mine.
Come on, give me some candy.
Fine, here you go.
Really? Wow.
Catch! Incoming!
You did that deliberately.
Shut up!
Ugh.
Give me more or I'm telling Mom.
Can't you leave me alone? Take it.
Ouchie. Ow.
Take that.
Hey. Ugh.
I'm the best. Wait, he's quiet. What happened? Who cares? That's hilarious. Maybe I can play my game now.
Where am I? Why is the room spinning? Ooh, candy. Hang on. Ew, there's hair on the candy. That's gross. I'll still eat it though. Wait a second. I have a great idea! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I'll start with a sheet of blue card. Then I'll cut it into sections. I'll arrange the card into an open-sided box. Then I'll stick a sponge to it. Then I'll finish assembling the box. I've cut slots into this piece. This strip of card can go into the top slot. Next I'll put half a plastic cup in the hole. I'll fill the cup with candy. I'm working up an appetite. I'm gonna use all the candy. When I press Blue Monster's face, candy comes out! Sweet, yummy candy. It's just what I need. I think I deserve this. I'm in candy heaven.
What's going on back there? Whoa! Where'd you get that? Video game or candy machine? The candy wins! Hey bro, we never hang out. Let's change that. Don't mind if I do.
Hey!
And this candy machine? Genius! Ah, I'm looking forward to this. Reading always makes me tired. Eyes heavy, getting sleepy.
Daddy! I'm home! What a day! School was tough! Here, take my bag. I'm gonna go play! I'm gonna play!
What's going on? Hey, why'd you do that?
Wahoo! Come on, Huggy! I miss you so much!
Aw, that is adorable.
Check out these moves! Look out! A dinosaur! Pow! Pow!
That looks like thirsty work. Hey Alex, I got you a glass of water. Here you go.
Pow! Huh? Nah, I don't want it.
Oh, okay. I'll have it. Ah, refreshing. Now where was I?
What is that noise? I have an idea. Hey, Daddy!
Huh? Oh, hey buddy. What's happening?
Ooh, look, Daddy!
What is it?
The TV, Dad! Check it out!
Huh?
I want it! Please, Daddy!
I know you do, but you can't get everything you see on TV. Unless… I'll be right back. I've cut out a piece of cardboard into a U-shape. Next I need a piece like this. I'll need the bottom part to move. I'll stick it to the back of the U-shaped cardboard. Now I need to turn it into a frame. I'll attach it to the side. I'll do the same over here. Now I'll make a shelf. It can go right here. Next I'll need an empty soda bottle. And I'll insert a drinking straw to the bottom. Finally I need a sign. I made it myself. All that's missing is the drink. I'll place a finger over the straw. And I'll fill up the bottle. Steady. Don't want to spill any. I'll fill the bottle all the way. That should do it. Now I need to put the cap on. I'll make sure it's tight. I think it's ready. I'm open for business. Hey Chris, check it out!
Wow! It's magical!
I need to release the cap, and the juice will flow. Pretty clever, huh? When the glass is full, I'll put the cap back on. And the juice will stop. See?
Wow, thanks, Dad! It's so good!
I knew you would like it. Your old man does it again. What fun things do your parents do? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.